Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you having problems with the heads-up display, also known as HUD display on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. We'll explain which fuses, relays you need to check if you need to find them, guys, where you can find them. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know where they're located. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below, guys. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, the heads-up display, also known as HUD display, fuses, relays, we'll show you where you can find them. We'll work in a hidden fuse box. Okay, not so hidden, but still hard to get to because most people never think to check there. By the way, this Mercedes has up to 6-7 different hidden fuse boxes, and most owners, 9 out of 10 owners, do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Let's go ahead and open the passenger door. You come to the passenger side, guys. This is the center console, and here in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, you see on the A pillar here you have one cover. You're going to open that cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's, guys, quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And guys, the fuse that you need to check here specifically, you wonder which one, right? It's one fuse, but it's a very important fuse. Make sure to stay until then. We want to talk about that now. These three fuses, okay, have multiple fuses built in them. That's fuse MF1, MF2, MF3. MF2 is the one that we'll need to check, and it has up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses integrated in one fuse. So what you guys need to do here, you need to remove that fuse and test it, check each section, because one of those fuses, it's hard to tell exactly which one is for the heads-up display, also known as HUD display, guys. You don't have any relays, you have that fuse that's known as a relay fuse. If you still have problems with the HUD heads-up display, you may want to check the front and the rear SAM, the SAM module fuses and relays. If you need help with that, we'll have the video on the channel for any of you looking for that as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.